Hi, I'm Beth Rogozinski, CEO of Oncoustics. Oncoustics is an AI-driven software as a medical device company that's creating and deploying advanced AI solutions for low-cost, non-invasive surveillance, diagnostics, and treatment monitoring of diseases with high unmet clinical need. In 2020, we worked with Steve Garchow, president of Foresight Marketing, when he joined our advisor team through the C2MP program. Steve's years of experience and expertise on med device commercialization were invaluable to us as we were getting our company started. Firstly, what Oncoustics does is complex, and this is often the case with novel health innovation, especially AI software as a medical device. In our case, Oncoustics applies AI to the raw ultrasound signals from readily available ultrasound devices like this one, and via this we can rapidly differentiate healthy versus diseased tissue. Our approach can be applied and used on any anatomical area of the body that the ultrasound can image, making this a dynamic and expandable platform. We think that this is going to revolutionize diagnostics. With our technology, we have wide opportunity to improve the health of patients, but we needed to focus. And this actually came down to part of how we worked with Steve. Our initial focus is on liver disease. Today, the liver diagnostics market is worth over $30 billion and expected to grow significantly as a suite of new drugs are due to clear the FDA. And these will all require confirmed diagnostics and ongoing patient surveillance. We currently have 5 products in development for screening for liver disease. But via the interviews that we did with Steve and team across the ecosystem, including talking to patients, clinicians, nurses, and payers, as well as evaluating the regulatory requirements of getting a product to market, we determined that our initial focus should be on creating low-cost point-of-care solutions that aided in disease detection and better triage. Our clinical workflow and integration were another aspect that we worked on during our time with C2MP with Steve and the team. We demonstrated how the company, the doctor, and the payer, but more importantly than any of that, the patients win by having this early diagnostics. Our first product, the Onyx Liver Assessment Solution, is designed to address the ongoing and rising tsunami of need around the silent epidemic of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and its most egregious and dangerous form, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. Like most liver disease, NAFLD in all forms, even when advanced to full-blown cirrhosis, is most often asymptomatic, meaning that people with liver diseases don't even know they have it until it's too late. Beyond being able to triage for early-stage disease, we determined that our product could be used to detect who was at risk of fastest progression for liver diseases by measuring fibrosis. Fibrosis is the most important prognostic indicator of who will advance to NASH, cancer, and the need for transplant, or who might progress to an early death. Getting in front of this disease via early point-of-care diagnostics really is a win for the whole ecosystem. A key and core takeaway that any startup in health tech needs to consider is product market fit in your commercialization strategy. And it's never too early to get started on these with experts like Steve, who have experience in health economics, marketing, pricing, and go-to-market planning.